the Kinder AM class, Alfonso Kental Spain B. Okay po, galing sila sa second floor, so I just remind you to smile para po makapture. Rocas Faika Valea M. Okay, wait lang po. Okay, take your time po kasi isang beses lang po yan mangyari. Rocha Amelia Prisha Zane D. Okay, again, take your pictures. Let's begin from the Kinder PM class. Bautista Cloud Elijah. Bernabe Cairo Bueno Carlos Miguel Ang. Vanesora Ray Marco L. Vante Astrid Ivory B. Castor Chloe Amara S. Kurimao Anika B. Falsone Angelina S. Gasis Asli Sofia C. Okay, wag niyo po silang RTD sa harap, bahal na lang po. Basta nasa likod pa po na tayo. Orbota Sabrina Julia B. National Anthem. May I request Faika Valea Ro.
Pasingkatan. At bisan sa mag-asawa, competition. Kaya isa sa mga number 1 rule, pakinggan po natin parents, number 1 rule pagdating sa family, lalo na sa relationship husband and wife. Huwag na huwag mong ikikwento ang kahinaan ng asawa mo sa ibang tao. Are you listening? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin dito sa lalaking itong gwapong-gwapo. Alam mo ba ang misis ko? Ay, nako.
And we have 38. Okay po? Now, we will proceed to the awarding. And so, our advisors, tanggalin na po ang kanilang mga fez. Para po, yan, mga yan. Bible verse mark and good in writing. Okay, none other than Gasis Asli Sofia C. Okay? Okay, paubayin lang muna sa mga teachers natin para them their place so you can see it. Very good sila, oh. Okay, nursery boys. O, diba? Ang dali. Pwede po kay Ellen doon sa
Dito pa rin. Oh, dito na na. Naguyag pa. Wala, sige.
Each and every time I try to let you go, I keep running right back, running like a domino. Got in my head going left to right. Before I knew I was hypnotized, you came into my life, turned it inside out. Kinda like you could read my mind. You know everything I feel inside. All you gotta do is look me in the eyes, and it's like the first time. All you gotta say, three words I wanna hear, but I know you're mine. And when you smile, it's something I can't ignore. Can't get enough, keeps me coming back for more. All you gotta do, you're the only one that can satisfy my heart.